starting from the bow. Go right here. You can see the West Coast bow rail, Bruno Radar NXT. Got the belly hoop up there. I've got the Yeti 65 or 75, can't remember. There's a mount up there for it. It's inside right now though. Got all the rocket launchers on the top, 4 on this side. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 on the top and the back. And you've got some, of course, the top of the gun holes. Take a step back. Again, motor's still running. No issues, still spitting out water. Side. A little bit hard because I got a tree right here. I just redid the side bunks material because the other one was pretty blown out. Back to the bow, port side. And then again, that's what I was talking about, the crack right above the rail where it rubbed in there. Sent you some pictures. We'll crawl back inside. I'll head to the top. As you can see, it's got a bout there for the Yeti. It's where the Yeti sits. Anybody who's up here has got a seat up there. There's no cushion for the top window. It's got the clamps right there on the side. All the lights work, all the electronics work. I've got the outrigger mounts right here on the side. Fishing storage here in the back. I never leave everything in there while it's in storage, so they're empty right now. Good again. Boat's been running. Gauge is still good. I'll go back to the you can still see it's giving that error for whatever reason. Like I said, that cord, but you can see pressure's still there. Temperature is nothing crazy. Still pretty simple. And yeah, that's it. Let me know if you need anything else. Thanks.